in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable site-suggested ads on your Chromebook browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up your Chromebook web browser and select your menu icon up at the top right. Go down and select Settings. On the left side, select Privacy and Security. And then on the right side, you want to select the Add Privacy button here. Where it says Site Suggested Ads, select that, and then toggle this top option on to turn it on, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.